Hello, today we are looking at 9 best Carpenter WordPress themes. All these themes mentioned are picked by experts based on the rating, high number of sales, and awesome features. Number 9. Renovate. The Renovate theme is robust, reliable, professional, and friendly for your WordPress website. It is suitable for businesses advertising online, such as businesses involved in home maintenance, electricians, and carpenters. Allowing your clients to calculate their own costs for renovations, fences, interior modeling, etc., will enable you to estimate what it will cost them. Number 8. Sawmill. Sawmill theme is intended for the needs of carpenters, handymen, repair contractors, and other businesses related to carpentry. Designed specifically for your online presence, this theme is beautiful and elegant. The theme is 100% responsive, which means it can be viewed on any handheld device, such as iPhone or iPad. Number 7. The Mahogany WordPress theme is the ideal choice for carpentry businesses. It is a modern and stylish theme that is ideal for woodworking companies, furniture makers, and other similar businesses. Additionally, the Mahogany theme is responsive, enabling you to view your website on a variety of devices. Number 6. WoodX. As one of the best themes for carpenters, WoodX offers all the features you need for a strong online presence, such as projects, blogs, testimonials, teams, shops, and services. It allows you to customize and publish your layout in minutes while capturing the exact result that you desire via this fast, intuitive, and intelligent page builder. Furthermore, it comes with ready-to-use demo content which can be imported and then customized to match your existing pages. Number 5. Woodza. The Woodza theme is suitable for professional carpenters and woodworkers that provide woodwork services using WordPress. A carpenter business or woodworker's website may use this template. Handyman, repairer, and construction handyman websites may also use this template. Number 4. Wood Workshop. This Wood Workshop responsive WordPress theme features various homepage layouts designed specifically for carpenters and wood shops. In order to strengthen your credibility and build trust in your business, you should consider exchanging testimonials with your satisfied clients. Number 3. Handyman. The Handyman theme is clean and professional in appearance. It was designed specifically for contractors and handymen. Using this theme, images and content will be displayed on your website in a responsive and Retina-compatible format. The theme is fully responsive and mobile-ready, so it will work perfectly on any device, whether it is a small 5-inch smartphone or a 27-inch computer monitor. Number 2. WoodWorks. The WoodWorks theme integrates with a powerful page builder and has been tested on all major handheld devices. It is extremely powerful and very responsive for woodworking websites. If you do not have programming knowledge, you can create pages easily and look like you are a professional. This theme makes the process of creating a website simply by offering pre-designed demo content and an easy-to-use one-click installation process. Number 1. Craftio. The Craftio is a theme specially designed for woodworkers and businesses. The Craftio theme is an excellent choice for carpenters, handymen, home repair professionals, and all customers who require carpentry services. Featuring an elegant and unique design, this theme is ideal for showcasing your online presence on mobile devices as well as desktops. Finally, thanks for watching this collection of the best WordPress themes. If you have any experience with these themes, leave me a comment below, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you all in the next video, guys. Take care.